Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Today, New York City is a little bit over 50 degrees, so of course, I'm going out. And this video is actually about this seat right here. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's brown, like dark brown. I'm not a fan of it. Many people also mention, and the groups that I join, they really don't like the color, but also I'm not planning to spend over $400 on changing it. What I did is I ordered a color, a dye color for leather. So I'm gonna paint it later on. Just gonna have fun, go for a ride, and then when I come back, I'm gonna remove my seat. I'm gonna show you guys how you have to clean it and the product that I'm gonna use. All right? Okay, guys. So I removed the seat. I started already cleaning it. It's very important for you guys to clean it, even though it doesn't look like very dirty. You still have some dirt, and it's very important for you guys to clean it in order to apply the dye and stays on the leather. Okay, so you need more. Use more acetone. Is what I'm using right now. It's not gonna damage the leather, and it's gonna clean the whole thing. Okay, so here's the dye that I'm gonna use. It's called Angelus. It says leather finishes, and the color is jet black. Leather dye. Okay. And I've been watching a lot of videos. It seems like it works very nice. And let's try it. Let's see. I think you have to shake it. Oh. So it's just ready to use. You don't have to mix or do anything else but start just painting it. Just do this like this. Well, of course, I fast forward the video until this point, but it literally took me about what, 4 minutes, maybe 5, and it's ready. It's ready. I'm just gonna make sure that it's completely dry. I put 2 coats, and I think it's pretty good. Even the letters of the brand, it says Triumph. It covered the whole thing without any issue, and that's it. I think that is nothing like major to do it, and you're just gonna spend $15, around $15, maybe less, and instead of just buying the whole set for $400, maybe more. Some people might say, oh, but you damage your seat. Listen, it's your bike, do whatever you want with it. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna wait until it dries, and then I'm gonna put at the very end how it looks with everything dry and on top of the seat already back onto the motorcycle.